So the next thing is, where do they save these keyboard shortcuts? So you could, put them on a thumb drive and bring them to whatever computer you want. So normally they would be in your local drive. Then go to users, and then go to your name, and then go to documents, and then you should see a thing saying Adobe here, and this is Adobe Autosave. It's something else entirely. So it's actually, instead of here, it is on your OneDrive, um, documents, Adobe Premiere Pro, current version, your profile, Windows, because you're reading Windows, and then these are my keyboard shortcuts. I take these, put them onto a thumb drive, and then I would put them in the same folder, um, set we have here, to um, use them on any other Premiere Adobe Premiere system. So yeah, that's what that is.